So now that the cabinets are done, I decided I'm going to wrap my appliances pink. So I ordered pink vinyl online. So I just want to emphasize, before you put any vinyl wrap on, there's no dust, no dirt or anything, because it will show. But once it's clean, you're going to cut and measure the appropriate size vinyl, and you're going to warm up the vinyl. You can use a blow dryer or a heat gun if you have that available, and you're going to slowly apply it. You want to make sure there are no air bubbles. You take your time. You can lift as needed. So if there's like a bubble somewhere, you could either like try and squeeze it out or lift it up and kind of start again. Also, definitely take your time with the edges, because that is really what makes or breaks a project. You want to stretch the material, you want to heat it up and sort of seal it around the edges so it doesn't lift and it just looks really nice and clean. Then cut whatever excess vinyl is left and you are all set.